Could you hear me when I was talking?
No, could you hear me? You could hear me. I could hear him. You might need to turn me on. Do you hear me? No. No, am I all the way up? Nope. Oh, near one.
Not budging, are you?
I mean, that would help, right?
Yeah, I did the same.
Good kid. Go on then. Yeah, I can definitely eat out.
Oh, that's a bit sexy. I like your rap.
Is that your chat about?
Yeah, I like your rap.
Hold my microphone. I didn't hear the bang.
I did not hear a bang. You definitely said massive bang. You don't miss it. There's the bang.
There's the bang.
Fine objective.
I don't think I'll lead anywhere in there. Doesn't mean it does.
Go on, out you go. Cookies go. Line of fire.
I wasn't expecting to jump into that.
Well, that fucking works. Yes, boy.
Another.
Follow! It's looking good.
Absolutely stinks. Move down before I choke to death.
Lee?
Oh, look after this. One, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Where did you go?
Medic the guy in front of me.
Okay. Kian, go crawl down. Oh.
Alright, I'm coming over to you, Kian. Come on, lad.
Stay on, mate.
I think we just need to push. There's plenty of us. It looks like they're all coming from that bottom corner as well. Right, so if we go through this way, left hand, push down, keep an eye on the woodwork. These lot have got that corner pretty much nailed down. Yeah?
Well, that's a fence all the way around.
No, I know, but if you follow the fence...
Right. Low and slow.
Right, go down. Oh, again. Hit!
Hey.
No buns! Hit. No buns, no buns, no buns!
Which doorway?
Where are you?
I'm trying to see where that shit. What happens when you shoot? Oh, shoot. No buns! get loot. The fuck? Did you just go over? Yeah. 4. Fuck. What's a fucking medic if you're not gonna roll, right? We come back.
Have you recorded any of today?
All of today.
Do you have a YouTube channel?
We do have a YouTube channel. It's Tactical Dad's Airsoft.
I'm back.
Disgraceful behaviour.
Do you have anyone's got a pen on them?
No, I left my pencil case in my other rig.
Is it Tactical Dad or Tactical Dads?
Tactical Dads.
Dads. We'll just
Have you
type
randomly got a pen on you?
fortunately, no.
Also left his pencil case in his other rig. Oh, tell you what. Take that. We've got spares. Now you'll remember. Look at that. Right, I'll see you later.
See you later.
But he has a briefcase. Huh?
Can't miss the red band. Can't miss the red band. So how did someone shoot me in the back?
You know where you fell over?
Yeah.
Yeah, someone shot me in the back.
I mean, someone shot me in the back.
From literally like 6 foot
pretty
away.
much in the back and in the stomach as well. Where is it?
Yeah. Where I was when you fell over. When I got hit. I got shot in the back.
Flashback.
Doorway.
End of flashback.
Nearly slipped. 2, 3, 4, 5.
Yeah, 4.
Oh, thanks. Yeah, it's still up.
Can't come get you. Then you've got another hit, yeah?
Oh shit!
You avoided the first one, but the second one dropped on your way.
Bollocks. Dead man.